bad weather in Baku and maybe the boat won't leave for another 2 days. So he said to go to the hotel and wait there and come back in 2 days. Causes the boat not to go, so I'm here for the next couple of days at least, just until we're ready to go. But the hotel room I've got is well nice, so I think it'll be quite a nice place to chill for a couple of days while I'm waiting for the boat. So that's us going to head to the boat, and I need to follow this minivan with other travellers. They all get to go on that, and I get to cycle behind on my bike, head down to the dock. So we're just off the coast of Azerbaijan. You can see oil rigs off in the distance. We've come at a stop and we've not moved for a while, so I don't know what's going on or how long it's going to take. But I'm going to show you my cabin because I've not done that yet. I totally lucked out and managed to get myself a cabin all by myself. Usually need to share. And a bed here, a little sofa area, and a bathroom just here with the room next door. So I've had a great time on this boat, man. It's been really fun. I don't know why it gets such a bad name.